In this video, I'm going to talk about the energy that a light or that an electron emits when it jumps from one energy level to another energy level. And the simplest atom we're going to consider here is the hydrogen atom. So, hydrogen atom, in an hydrogen atom, electron jumps from one energy level 5 to 2. What kind of energy or what kind of frequency it will emit? That's what we're going to talk about. So this is entirely based on the Bohr's model. So if you look at the Bohr's energy level, it does have a different energy level, n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The higher the energy are, the closer it will be. If you look at the spacing, these two are more closely spaced. If you go to higher and higher level, it will be more continuous. It will try to be continuous or more closer and closer. So the electrons can go from lower energy level to the higher energy level. Let's say, for example, it equals to 1 equals to 2, or it can go from 1 equals to 3. So when does the electron go from n equals to 1 to n equals to 2? It goes from a smaller energy level to higher energy level, or from 1 equals to 1 to n equals to 2 when it absorbs energy, or when you supply energy. It goes from one level to another level. It can go from 2 to 3, or it can go from 3 to 4. It can go to the different levels. And the same thing happens. The electrons can jump from higher level to lower level. Higher level to lower level. And when the electron jumps from higher level to a lower level, it emits light. It emits energy in the different electromagnetic range. Okay, and that's what we're going to calculate. If electron jumps from n equals to 5 to n equals to 2, here in this case n equals to 5 to n equals to 2, how much energy it releases? That's what we're going to find out. So the simplest thing we're going to find out is in this case, the energy of the emitted photon is given by this equation here. And that's all coming from the Bohr's theory. So that's E stands for the energy, N is for the energy level, higher level to lower level. And this is a formula here too. The energy of any level is given by negative 13.6 divided by n square. That's the energy of any level. So if I have n equals to high, then I'm simply writing 13.6 divided by n high square, because that's the equation, that's the formula. Negative and energy low, 13.6 n low square. And if I do the math a little bit, so what I will get is 13.6. EV stands for the electron volt. Electron volt. And I will explain what does this mean. Electron volt is simply the unit of energy, and 1 electron volt means 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joule. 19 joule. So now I have this equation. So for some of you who do not know how, so simply remember this equation for now. And all we need to care about is the electron is jumping from n equals to 5 to n equals to 2. So all you have to do is plug into this equation. A low value is n low is 2 and n high is 5. So simply going to plug into this equation. 13.6 n low is 2 squared and 5 is 5 squared. If you do the math, you'll get this electron volt. But if you have to convert to joule, then you have to multiply by this number here. 1 electron volt is this many joule. So if you do the math, you'll get this many joule. 4.57 times 10 to the negative 19 joule. That's how much. So when the electron jumps from this level to this level, because electrons orbit into the different levels, it radiates this many energy in the form of electromagnetic light, electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, so this is it from this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below. Thank you so much and have a wonderful time.